Friends, today let's learn about the production process of gabion mesh. There are 5 steps in total. Let's go through them one by one. First is spring forming. Stretch the iron wires tight. Bend them into spring shapes, which is like preparing the raw materials for the framework of gabion mesh. The second step is weaving. The spring-shaped iron wires made just now. Weaving them together with wires on the rotary disc. To form hexagonal mesh patterns, just like weaving fishing nets. But this mesh is stronger and more durable. The third step is machine edging. To process the edges of the woven mesh, making it easier to assemble into cages later, and preventing it from falling apart. The fourth step is manual assembly. Our skilled workers will assemble the edged mesh panels into cage shapes. This step requires great carefulness to ensure every joint is firm. The final step is compression packaging. Compress and pack the finished gabion mesh, which saves space, allows more products to be loaded, and cuts down freight costs. Friends, if you are confused about any step of the process, please feel free to contact us.